Install position, drilling according to the drill diagram. Cut the pressure lever and vertical pull rod, according to the width and height of the door. Install the push bar lock. Main lock body installation. Adjust the direction of the handle according to the direction of the door opening. Adjust the position of the buckle plate and lock body, and then drill the bottom hole of the screw on the door. Fix the lock body to the door with screws. Install the buckle plate and test the function. Install the lock body STS515. Install the upper lock body. Adjust the position. Install the lock body. Install the upper buckle plate. Functional testing. Install the lower lock body. Adjust the position. Install the lower buckle plate. Install lower lock body. Install fixing sleeve. Install decorative cover. Installation completed. Functional testing.